Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Wulan Destiana Putri. I'm in the 12th grade. I will discuss the schematic structure in a narrative text entitled The Breaker of Limited from Mount Mali. Orientation: in a dark, electricity-free village in Mount Mali, a man named Niall ponders how his village beauty can be enjoyed longer, including at night. Complication: Niall proposed building a microhydropower plant because the village remote location made it impossible to get electricity from the government. This proposal was opposed by some villagers due to the high cost and technical challenges, such as the long distance from the river. There is debate about using wood or diesel, but all options have drawbacks. Evaluation: due to doubts and fear of failure, some villagers reject the idea and left the group. However, Niall and his remaining friends stood firm, arguing that they couldn't just wait for the government and believing that they could succeed by working together. Resolution: the remaining group finally agreed and worked together. They successfully obtained material after some negotiation. Manually and collectively, they began building a dam for sandbags, a millhouse tarpaulin, and digging a 200-meter long water channel. Coda: after 3 months, the micro-hydro power plant was finally completed. Finally, the houses where they lived were enjoyed at night. Those who previously doubted the value of hard work, cooperation, and care for the environment then joined in cheers. Villagers then became more enthusiastic about protecting the forest and surrounding environment so that water supplies would remain available. Niall smiled broadly and was proud of his friends. The beauty of Mount Mali village will stay forever and people will be more prosperous since they are more productive now. Niall whispered, togetherness can break through limitation. Bahasan menggunakan bahasa Indonesia dalam struktur skematik teks naratif berjudul The Breakers of Limitation Mount Mali. Orientasi: di desa Gunung Mali yang gelap tanpa listrik, seorang pria bernama Niall sedang merenungkan keindahan desanya agar bisa dinikmati lebih lama, termasuk malam hari. Komplikasi: Niall mengusulkan untuk membangun pembangkit listrik tenaga mikrohidro karena lokasi desa yang terpencil mustahil dijangkau listrik pemerintah. Usulan ini ditentang oleh sebagian warga karena biayanya yang mahal dan tantangan teknis, seperti jarak yang jauh dari sungai. Terjadi perdebatan mengenai penggunaan kayu atau diesel, namun semua opsi memiliki kekurangan. Evaluasi: karena keraguan dan ketakutan akan kegagalan, beberapa warga menolak ide tersebut dan meninggalkan kelompok. Namun, Niall dan teman-temannya yang tersisa tetap teguh dan berpendapat bahwa mereka tidak bisa hanya menunggu pemerintah dan percaya bahwa dengan kebersamaan mereka bisa berhasil. Resolusi: kelompok yang tersisa akhirnya sepakat dan bekerja sama. Mereka berhasil mendapatkan bahan-bahan setelah bernegosiasi secara manual dan bergotong royong. Mereka mulai membangun bendungan dari karung pasir, rumah kincir dari terpal, serta menggali saluran air sepanjang 200 meter. Koda atau pesan moral: setelah 3 bulan, pembangkit listrik tenaga mikrohidro akhirnya selesai. Akhirnya, rumah-rumah tempat mereka tinggal pun bersukacita di malam hari. Mereka yang sebelumnya meragukan nilai kerja keras, kerjasama, dan kepedulian terhadap lingkungan kemudian ikut bersorak gembira. Warga desa kemudian menjadi lebih antusias dalam melindungi hutan dan lingkungan sekitar agar pasokan air tetap tersedia. Nayau tersenyum lebar dan bangga pada teman-temannya. Keindahan Gunung Mali akan abadi selamanya dan masyarakat akan lebih sejahtera karena sekarang mereka lebih produktif. Dan bisik Nayau, kebersamaan dapat mendobrak keterbatasan.